Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
Welcome to the 2023 Florida RV Super Show. I'm here with Steve from Keystone. Steve, what are we going to look at today?
Well, today we're going to unveil the brand new 3912DS Alpine. It's the premium luxury fifth wheel that Keystone makes with more major features and amenities than just about anybody else on the market.
Perfect.
All right, as we are going to unveil today, this is the Keystone Alpine. This is a brand new floor plan 3912DS that we are unveiling today here at the Super Show. This one we absolutely love. It has got our champagne full body paint. You can see the sunshine hitting it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Pairs beautifully with the frameless windows, and we know how it works here in Florida. In the summer it rains just about every day, so it's nice to have windows that actually kick out from below, so when the rain starts coming down you can still have the air going inside. Not only that, are they beautiful, are they functional? They're actually 80% tint, so it takes away a lot of that extra UV light, that heat that tends to come through on most RVs as well. As you work your way down, talk about towability and ease of setup, right? Those are two major things. So first and foremost, we've got the road armor rubberized hitch pin out up front. It has the tilt and the rubberized gasket, which helps take away a lot of that road chucking. I know everybody out there has towed something across the train tracks before, and you felt the chuk, 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 and that really beats up the unit, right? So by having this rubberized hitch pin out front, takes away a ton of that, ton of road vibration, doesn't transfer it into the unit. And then of course it pairs perfectly with the road armor suspension that we have in the back, along with the dual 7,000-pound axles. It gives you that full range of motion, 3 inches up, 3 inches down, so it's okay if you hit a speed bump or a pothole, because those all exist out there, right? And so again, with that smooth towability, this also comes standard with G-Range Oracle tires. So it's a high-spec tire. You're going to have a higher speed rating, stronger, safer tire. The good news, it even comes with a 6-year warranty straight from the factory. So it's a nice peace of mind that you've got that going right down the road. You're going to notice this is a 12-inch I-beam drop frame. That's why we have so much storage on the outside of this unit. And so you can see, we know this is set up for the full-time RVers, and good news, it is warranted for full-time camping, so you've got that going for you as well. Super nice. Speaking of super nice, this weather out here in Florida, two brand new things. Last year, across the entire Keystone company, we launched the Solar Flex system, right? So every unit that Keystone sells has at least a 200 series solar. That's what this one has today. We go 400, 600, on up it goes. But brand new for this year, we now have lithium batteries on board every Keystone product as well. Alpine comes standard with 200 amp hour lithium ion batteries straight from Dragonfly, so fantastic opportunity. No worry about those lead acids dying over the winter for you. Keep them charged up. And check this out, when we go inside, we don't have power to this system yet here at the show, so every light that you see on, every refrigerator is running, the inverter's pumping juice to this thing just from the Solar Flex and from the batteries, and you're going to notice tons of light on inside already.
Very nice.
Lastly, before we head up and in, one of the things I love is the safe and security of these solid steps by Lippert. I love them because you got the big treads all the way up, and then when you get to the top, it's almost double wide. Gives that stronger, safe, secure plant as you're going in, or that first step coming out. And of course, you pair that with the extra large grab handle, which you can grab a hold of before you even take that first step. And check this out, super simple. They're going to take themselves up or down, no worry if you're going to catch them, drop them, whatever you need to do. Fully adjustable legs if you're on crooked terrain, makes it nice and easy.
Very nice.
But again, those are some of the creature comforts. Those are some of the easy setup. That's some of the outside. What's really cool about 390DS, DS stands for dual suite. You guys ready to see inside?
Yeah.
Looking for a fast setup solution for winter camping? Airskirts is the perfect way to keep cold air away from the undercarriage of your RV, keeping your rig warmer while cutting down on heating costs and helping to keep pipes from freezing. Airskirts are made from a military-grade material designed to resist punctures. It takes less than an hour to set them up, a time saver compared to traditional skirting or foam board. This is the quickest, most hassle-free option for winter camping, and you don't have to drill into your rig. The Airskirts fit snugly because they are customized to fit your rig for maximum air blockage. They also carry a variety of additional accessories to ensure a warm and cozy winter in your RV. Visit airskirts.com and use our promo code John and Mandy at checkout for a discount.
All right, again, here we are inside the brand new 3912DS. As we noticed, when you walked right inside, what happens in most units? The kids walk in, the grandkids walk in, they kick off their shoes, they throw the coat down, they put the sweatshirt down. Good news, we've got a nice seat here for you, shoe storage up underneath. You're able to hang the coats already right up on this rack. No more trip hazard as you're walking right outside of there. One of the things that makes this kitchen really cool on Dual Suite, it is a legit walk-in pantry. So you can see we get all the way inside there, gives you additional countertop space, outlets for your air fryer, your coffee maker, your Instapot, any of those kind of appliances. You don't have to stare at them all day. You don't want to waste your countertop space that you have out in the unit. Put it all back in there. And again, it's floor to ceiling storage on a real walk-in pantry. Working our way through the kitchen appliances is a residential refrigerator. Even the ice maker is going to work in this one for you, so you've got that going. We know we can never have enough ice when we're out camping. All this pairs wonderfully with our Insignia Chef Kitchen. Comes with a 30-inch convection microwave. Check out the size of this oven. Actually, you can actually cook something. No longer those days of those tiny little pizzas that you can barely squeeze in there, right?
Yeah,
So
nice residential oven.
Absolutely. And of course, let's talk about our cabinetry. Most of our competition, they're going to have the real wood doors, but then when you start touching the cabinetry inside, you find that paper wrapped. Good news. In Alpine, it's a premium luxury fifth wheel, real wood cabinetry all the way around. Then you even have the soft closed doors. Super nice, super cool. Check out the size of the sink. Dual sink. One is huge, one's a little bit smaller for the easy rinse, clean, actual space. I know it sounds silly, but you guys always ask, hey, where's the garbage can go? It's always sitting out here randomly, the dog or the neighbor or the kids knock it over. Well, good news. You got the trash and recycling already built in directly for you. Makes it super, super simple, super handy.
Double cam power.
Absolutely. Now, one of the things you're going to notice on all Alpines, but it pairs wonderfully with this floor plan, we're built on a 100-inch wide body frame, which means that's going to give you more volume of space without it having to be longer going down the highway. And so that goes right into 6'10" Summit slides. So again, when you look at the height of these slides, that volume of space that we have in here, it's super spacious. It doesn't feel like you're cramped in an old style RV. Now again, today was a bright sunny day, so you start looking at these dual 4-foot by 5-foot windows. One of the wonderful standard features that Alpine offers is day and night shades. Comes standard with every one of them. So a day like today, I still want to be able to look out, but now we're taking away a lot of that extra light that was trying to come in, taking away a lot of that extra heat. It's going to be awesome. So speaking of that extra heat, this is already paired up with dual 15K air conditioners, and they have our Blade Pure air conditioning system, which one of the best benefits is it already has air filtration built right into it. It's a residential style air filter. It's 12-inch by 12-inch by 1-inch. You can buy those filters at any Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever you've got going on out there. So if you're worried about air quality, maybe your kids have allergies, pollen, any of that kind of stuff, you can change out the air filters as much as you want. Super easy. Not only does this have dual 15s, it is prepped for a third AC if you want to do that, or we could do it from the factory directly for you. Lastly, in regards to the HVAC system, this also comes standard with an electric heat pump. So a day like today, we woke up, it was about 45 degrees this morning. Good news, you still wouldn't have to turn on your furnace, because guess what? When you turn on the furnace, that's your money going out the propane tank, isn't it? So it's nice to know we're already plugged into the electric, paying weekly, monthly, whatever we're going to do. You can heat this whole unit all on electric. Super simple. All right, so those are some of the big ones out there. One of the things we didn't touch on the outside, this has an on-demand water heater. So no more running out, no more worrying about who took the first shower, who's gonna get hosed in the second shower, right? Got plenty of hot water. This also has an electric power cord reel. So when you're done, I know you guys have all tried to roll up those 50 amp cords. They're not easy, especially when it gets a little cooler. Sometimes it's really dirty. This, you just hit the button, it rolls it right back up for you. Keeps it super simple, super easy. We also have electric heat pads underneath all of your tanks for that winter season camping, the 4-season. And guess what? We're even warranted and rated for full-time camping. So good news, we've got you covered there as well. So again, those are a lot of the creature comforts, along with the central vacuum, the in-command system, on and on it goes. Again, we say all the time, Alpine has more premium luxury fifth wheel amenities than just about anybody else out there. So all these things can be yours right as we go. Let's look at this floor plan a little bit. We're going to head up into the bedroom. Alrighty, so as we roll up in here, every Alpine is going to come standard with a king-size bed, and of course, lots of additional storage, because like we just talked about, it's set up for full-time campers. And look, I like that we took the time to even finish this. When you look at a lot of the competition, you look down there, and you see the particle board, the press board, and so now you throw your sweatshirt down there, and now you're wearing wood chips when you put that thing back on, right? So don't have to worry about that at all. Notice on both sides of the bed, we have the stands that you can put your CPAPs on, your cell phones. Of course, there's outlets and power on both sides. So nice and comfortable, ready to rock on that front. As you roll right into a full-size closet across the front. And of course, everybody's always looking for full-time camping. It does have the washer and dryer prep right over here onto the side. So again, you're all set on that front. Big bank of drawers down here for you. And of course, every Alpine's going to have a 32-inch bedroom TV already included as well. So again, everything that you're looking for in a full-time luxury fifth wheel. And then lastly, you're going to notice, even got a dimmer switch over here. So when you're ready to just set the mood, if you want to take a nap, little dimmer, you're good to go right there. Now, as you can see with this floor plan, it has the ensuite bath. I love having this directly in here because we all know you got company over, you got guests over, they're out there, nature calls in the middle of the night, and now you got to go open a door, down 2 stairs, shut that door, open this door, up 2 stairs, come in, go back. You get the idea. I call it the stair cha-cha, right? Just because you had to use the facilities in the middle of the night. So good news, no more of that. Come directly in. Got the corner-sized toilet, so no more knee knockers as you're sitting down doing what you have to do. Good countertop space, linen closet, and of course, for reference to your viewers out there, I am 6 foot tall, and you can see we've got the skylight, so plenty of height in here for you as well. And like I said, pairs perfectly with that on-demand water heater. Shower just like you're at home in the apartment. So like we've been saying, it's a 3912DS. DS stands for dual suite. You saw the king suite up front. Let's check this out. We've got a queen suite in the back. So you're going to notice, just like we built up front, you've got the full queen bed back here. You've got the storage down below, just like we had up front. The side tables, the power, the whole 9 yards. But what's really cool is the volume of height that we've got in this bedroom. You've got windows on both sides, as well as windows in your slide box. So whichever way the wind is blowing, you can get a great cross breeze inside of here. As you look to this side, just like we had in the king suite up front, the queen suite also has a 32-inch TV, but holy smokes, look at the size of this closet. His and hers on the side, floor to ceiling, all the way up to the top, has those soft closed doors like we talked about. Nice little spot for all of your shoes hidden by in there, and they're not going to jumble all around when you're going down the highway. I just love the volume of space. We discuss all the time, if we were camping together, it's like, okay, which suite would you really like? Yes, that has the bigger bed, but holy smokes, this is fantastic as well. Now, do you ever have any of your viewers that are over 6 foot, 6'2", and they're like, there's never a shower in a fifth wheel that I can get into? Well, check this out. Again, I'm 6 feet tall. I can just barely touch the ceiling if I stretch. So good news, we've got the tall people covered now as well. So full-time camping, you are all set, ready to go. And as you go and pan around the rest of the bathroom, I'll stay on this side. Tons of room around the toilet there as well. And look at all the extra countertop space and storage space in this bathroom. Fully functional dual suite. King suite, queen suite, ready to rock. Alrighty, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of the 3912DS Alpine from Keystone RV. For additional information, be sure to click this link below and also give these guys a like and a follow. Thanks again for your time.
Thanks everyone for joining us today, and if you found any of this information useful, please give us a like and feel free to subscribe. Take care everyone.